Hi everyone. In this series, I'm going to be going through the Nutanix cluster questionnaire, just covering each of the questions and hopefully helping you fill this out a bit easier. So in this video, we're just going to start on page 1 and go through each question. So to start, they're pretty self-explanatory. Company name, deployment type is either remote or on-site, depending on whether a consultant will actually be traveling to your site. If you're not unsure about that, you can just ask your project manager which type of deployment you have. Address, date, start time, all self-explanatory. Contacts as well. The hypervisor, that'll depend on just whatever you purchase for the deployment. Could be AHV, ESXi, Hyper-V. And then the version that will most likely be decided during your tech call when you speak to your consultant. The hardware, I'll assume here that that'll be Nutanix. You could have hardware from Dell or HP. Assuming this is Nutanix, you would say that here. And then for the model, that will be something, it will start with NX dash, and then a 4-digit number. For example, 3360 dash G, and then the processor generation. Here I'll say 9. So this is an example of what your hardware model will look like, but this will vary depending on what you've actually purchased. Okay, I'm going to stop there in this video, but I'll cover the rest of the questions in future videos, so be on the lookout for those. And if you have any questions about what I covered in this one, just reach out to your project manager and they should be able to help you out. All right, I hope that was helpful and thanks for watching.